am a health promotion coordinator at the Kankakee County Health Department. One of my other duties here is the emergency response coordinator. So coordinating, not only during outbreaks, but, throughout the year, our emergency response efforts and plans and making sure that they're up to date. In terms of the pandemic, one person can have anywhere from 3 to 18 contacts that they had when they were potentially exposed. So it's just so important to continue those measures we've been preaching from the beginning. I feel it too. It's very frustrating because you just want to get back to your normal life. There is a purpose for this, and it has been working. Internally with our staff, we have our communicable disease nurses who are the ones who work on the front lines of any communicable disease. So our STD, HIV, tuberculosis, and they have really stepped up. They're making hundreds of calls a day to make sure any person that maybe came in contact with someone who's positive for COVID is taking the right safety precautions. I've seen a lot of great stories since this pandemic started, people really stepping up. Another one of our programs that we've really been able to continue is our opioid overdose prevention program and naloxone distribution. We have curbside pickup of naloxone that comes with, the resources, the naloxone, and the education materials on how to use it. When we have one pandemic at the forefront, that doesn't mean the other epidemic is going away. And so we really need to continue to address those. Something I'm really proud of is the partnerships that we've utilized throughout this pandemic. And I can't say that they just came together during this pandemic. These are partnerships that we've fostered for years. And Kankakee County is, almost known in the public health world for how great of partnerships we have with multiple sectors throughout the community. We identified a need in places like, Pembroke and Sun River Terrace for testing and supplies. And so very quickly with, some conversations that were facilitated by United Way and Pembroke Township, we got those resources to them. So, we're making sure that we're hitting all those vulnerable populations and keeping them safe as well. The partnership between, Amita, St. Mary's Hospital, Riverside, Shapiro, the health department, and IDHS on when the outbreak at Shapiro started, immediately everyone came together to make sure that they were supported, that they had what they need to care for the residents that are there as well as the employees and stop the spread so the outbreak didn't get bigger. And everyone did a fantastic job and worked so quickly to make sure all this happened. I think the big thing is just stay patient, and trust that we're doing everything we can to keep the community safe. I know that sometimes these types of situations can bring out a lot of skepticism, fear and anxiety. But again, just that patience and doing the proper, sanitary things to keep everyone else safe and yourself safe and your family safe is really what we can ask everyone to do. I'm Lindsay Wilson with the Kankakee County Health Department, and I just want to remind everyone to stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you so much for your support.